Hi everyone, and welcome to Blue Spoon Veggie. Today I'm making some very special mango breakfast buns, which I'm excited to share with you. I'm going to start on the buns the night before breakfast, that's how special they are. Now let's get cooking. To start, I'm going to make a fruity puree from 2 mangoes. This gives a delicate mango flavour to the buns, and you'll have extra puree left to serve with the cooked buns and use in other ways. By the way, if you enjoy my videos, and I hope you do, please click the subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up. Now on with the puree. Let's peel both mangoes. Roughly chop the mango flesh. Then tip all the mango into a shallow pan. Heat gently with a teaspoon of caster sugar and a splash of water. Simmer gently for 5 to 10 minutes until the mango chunks have softened. Then pour into a food processor and blend until smooth. You can keep the mango sauce in the fridge for a week or freeze it. Use any leftovers to top ice cream, fill sponge cakes, or spread it on toast or crackers. Now let's crack on with making the dough. This dough needs to rise slowly in the fridge overnight. Weigh out the flour. Details of all the ingredients are in the description below. To knead the dough, I'm using a food processor with a dough hook, but you can certainly mix all the ingredients in a large bowl and knead by hand. Pour in the yeast and add in the salt. The melted butter goes in next, followed by an egg and some warm water. Next, the special ingredient, 3 tablespoons of mango puree. You can see the yeast is already coming to life and bubbling a little. Knead for 2 to 3 minutes in a processor or 5 to 10 minutes by hand. You'll create a beautiful, soft, stretchy dough. Lightly brush oil around a large bowl, remembering that the bowl will need to be able to fit into a spare space in your fridge for the night. Turn the dough over in the oiled bowl so it doesn't dry out as it rises. Cover with cling film, then tuck the bowl into the fridge and wait until the morning for the next steps. It's morning now, and time to disturb the slumbering dough. It's not been idle overnight though, it's been busy rising. Remove it from the fridge and dispose of the cling film. To bring the dough up to room temperature, pop it in the microwave on the lowest heat for about 3 minutes. Tip the dough onto a board or work surface. I like using this roll-out mat, which also has measurements and lines and other helpful bits and bobs. With lightly oiled hands, give the dough a good knead to break down the bubbles that will have formed overnight. Cover with a tea towel and let the dough have a rest for 5 minutes. Lightly oil an oven tray. Uncover the dough, and I'm aiming to divide the dough into around 10 pieces. Shape each piece into a nice round bun. I made 11 buns in the end. Then pop all the little buns on the oiled tray. Make up an egg wash by mixing an egg yolk and a teaspoon of water together. I'll be freezing the leftovers to save wasting the rest of the yolk. Gently brush the egg wash onto the buns. Cover the tray with a tea towel again and leave somewhere warm for an hour. After an hour, marvel at how risen and lovely the buns look, all ready to be baked. Bake at 200°C, that's 390 Fahrenheit, for 15 minutes. You'll know the buns are ready when you smell the sweet, fruity, bready aroma. Some of the buns got rather friendly with their neighbours. Let's separate the ones who made friends now. It seems a shame though. The baked buns are lovely spread with butter or cream cheese and then topped with a dollop of mango puree. They're also delicious toasted, and you can freeze them. I hope you give the mango buns a go yourself, they really are very tasty. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more recipes from Blue Spoon Veggie, and I hope to see you soon.